Hi friends, this is session 9. In this session, I shall discuss about the choice in career with pre-commissioning. Now, let me brief first about pre-commissioning. Before a plant or facility is handed over for normal operation, it should be inspected, checked and cleared, flushed, verified and tested. This process is termed as pre-commissioning. That involves both the contractor and the operation of a plant or facility. Pre-commissioning is also a preliminary effort to test and check the individual units, systems and subsystems within a logical area to ensure that the components of any given system and subsystem perform as designed. Hence, choice of a career as a pre-commissioning manager or engineer is an excellent choice as engineers prefers to solve problems which are complex in nature. Simply, the main objective of pre-commissioning section is to achieve the orderly handover from the construction team to the commissioning team and subsequently to the normal operation team. The basic qualification required for a pre-commissioning personnel to be degree in mechanical engineering and in some of the cases a master's degree and externship are needed for additional experience within the field. Hence the career in pre-commissioning will also give you a rise in your career graph with lucrative package and remuneration. If you like this session, please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you to be with me for all these 9 sessions of project management career choice.